Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. Today I reached 105 subscribers, which is really like a big milestone because I started out with 3 subscribers at the beginning of the year, and reaching 100, it just feels like a big achievement for me. I know some of you has over 1 million subscribers in your channel, or you've seen some channels with over 1 million subscribers, but hey, I am on seventh heaven right now. So thank you so much for all of your support, and please share my videos and help me get more subscribers. um Thank you so much. So for today, I am going to do a test run of my blender, which I bought and brought all the way from the Philippines. So I brought 2 blenders with me. The first one was from Tough Mama. I don't have a picture of it. I already gave it to be shipped to Rank way in advance because it's 3 kilos. It's very heavy, so I have to leave 3 kilos of my personal stuff behind. If you're a frequent traveler and you have the same job as me, you're often stuck in the field with no comfort food, you would understand what losing 3 kilos of your own food feels like. Especially where I live, where there's no junk food. We only eat beans almost every day, beans and goat. So you would understand the predicament I was in and how I was terribly sad about the situation. So today I'm gonna show you my lightweight blender, which I bought for around 1,500 pesos. So that would be like a little over 20 USD. So like 25 USD probably. Here we go. So this is my Imarflex blender, which I bought from Lazada. We're gonna check the weight right now, so you would we can compare this to the regular blender. This is my reliable digital weighing scale. I use this when WFP tells me my stuff is overweight, but most of the time it's actually the weighing scale that's broken. So careful that this doesn't fall. So this is approximately how much? Wait, it's hardly a kilo. It's 0.9 kilos, so this is perfect. So this is the bottle where we're gonna put the ingredients to our smoothie, and then we'll put the blade on top and then put it here. But we have to make sure that it's tightly sealed. Much in my room right now because I'm on a 14-day quarantine, so all I have right now is yogurt, some chia seeds, and I got honey. I don't think it's natural honey, it's fake honey. And for fruits, I peeled an orange, so this is gonna be an orangey smoothie. And as you can see, I always have my reliable Swiss knife with me because the knives here are not even gonna cut your hand. Like, they are so dull. So I prefer to have a knife with me. I used to have a really sharp knife, but I think it got stolen in the house because that was like the sharpest thing in the house. Anyways, let's begin. I've put shaved yogurt on my container. Then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds on it. I really like it because once the chia seed is wet, it expands and it feels like boba or gulaman inside your mouth. Chia seed is inside, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of honey in it. I usually mentally count 1, 2, 3. I'm never really satisfied with the sweetness of honey. Like, I want my stuff to be sweeter. And then we'll add 1 orange. Maybe I should cut it into smaller pieces. Wait. So my chopping board right now is made of styrofoam. So, you know, like if I cut too hard, it would go through and through, and we wouldn't have any plate. I would have ruined my plate. So we'll do it slowly, Shreya Shreya. I nicked my fingernails. Our sliced oranges. And oops. Okay. Then we'll put it here. I wonder how this will taste. Orangey. I've put the lid on already. It's sealed tightly. Okay, and then yeah, I'll just put it here and twist it in place. So it's still new. And then we're gonna unroll it. These are my emergency water. Okay, so this is not the Sudanese type of plug because we have the 3-pronged one here. However, I have my reliable travel charger. It's a universal charger. If you're a frequent traveler, you should have this. And then we'll just plug it in. For a while, I thought my blender was broken because I had it in a very loose suitcase and it was just like moving around in my bag, and I brought it here in South Sudan without even checking. So I'm gonna show you the proper way to put it in. So apparently you have to put it this way to activate the micro switch, and I am so happy it actually works and it's not broken. So I'm also I'm gonna insert the video here on how to properly use this, or should I just put the link so I don't get into trouble with YouTube? So I'll just put the link down below on how to properly assemble your Imarflex blender to go. The proper way to put your blender is just look where the arrow is and then put it on. If you're facing the blender, it should be placed right here, and then you twist to your left, and see, it's actively engaged or locked in place. And when it does that, it activates the micro switch. So your blender is not really broken, as I've thought earlier. And then when you press, whoa, there goes. Did you see that? Oh, amazing. I'm gonna have a really nice smoothie this morning. Done. And then we'll just remove this. I think this is good for me. I'm gonna remove it, put it upside down like that. And then I'm filming with just one hand only, so I'll put the top and I'll show you how it looks. I mean, I'll remove the top off and switch it with this, because I need to clean this up. So I now replaced it with this top, and I'm just gonna soak this for a little bit to allow the chia seeds to grow, and yeah, and just to balloon a little bit and make it a little bit like gummies on my mouth. Guys, I now have my smoothie with me, and I also have my metallic straw. I travel with this everywhere, just because you go to places like Rank, where I work, and they don't even know what this is. Like when they see me using this, they'll be like, Shinohada, what is that? So here's the smoothie, and what we're gonna do is I'll just pop this in here. Oh, that doesn't seem to be a good idea. It actually sank. Anyways, I'm just happy I have smoothie this morning. Thank you guys for subscribing in my channel, and join me in my future adventures. Bye!
I'm looking for someone out there is ready to love and appreciate you just the way you are.
This is actually very good.
And you are ready for a positive.
You can feel the fiber from the oranges. So, well, that's really delicious. It's heaven. Good job, you guys.